Hi ma'am,
Hello, hi.
how are you?
Great.
And how is Chill House going on?
Absolutely chilling.
What is Chill House and what all service do you provide here?
See, Chill House is basically a restaurant. You will get wide range of drinks, mocktails, cocktails, wines. We basically concentrate more on wines actually. So this is about Chill House, and it's a cool place with garden area and a glass house, and basically it's from a 1-year-old baby till 70, 80 years or whatever it is. So all ranges of people have to come and they can have the celebrations. It's a kind of family restaurant where you can just have a meeting together and have some good foods. And we do give wide range of offers as well to the public. As the name itself is a chill house, so people have to chill. Bill also should be chilling. That's it.
Is this restaurant your only business or you have different ventures?
I do have construction, activities. We are into that business as well. Home appliances services and all are there.
Pavani, what all challenges did you face in your initial stage of building Chill House?
The biggest challenge is financial aspect actually, that you have to keep concerned amounts for one sector. You can see it as a restaurant, but there are too many sectors, service staffs and kitchen staff and housekeeping ones. So, and even apart from that, building, how you present your restaurant. Kitchen, we thought of like, okay, 10 or 12 lakhs suppose. So it may exceed more than that.
So Women's Day is coming soon. Do you have any offers for women on that day?
Yeah, we have wide ranges of offers for women. Yeah, so the initially 20% discount on that day, okay, and even we have some coupons as well, and some free drinks also will be there on the certain range of bills also. So that is there, and in-house games, we are conducting many games, and even DJs also will be there on that day. And gifts, we provide multiple gifts also to the women on that day especially.
There are many women who dream about their own business or any venture. How can they do it? What is your advice?
See, determination and firm determination. Even though they sound the same, lot of difference. Determination, you can determine that I have to do this, but you should be very much firm to that. You have to stick on to that, and by hook or crook, you have to do that. Women need not depend on anybody. So once you'll depend on your parents, because they are the ones who have to give you a good education and all. So once that is done, after that, that is up to you. You have to work hard. You have to do, no matter, see, balancing is definitely important, family and these things. But nowadays, I think women are too smart to have their own decisions and, to balance all the, things, the equilibrium we can say.